After 40, most people lose strength not because of age, but because they stop using a few key movement patterns. If you want to stay strong, mobile, and pain-free for decades, these 3 science-backed exercises need to be in your daily routine. The third one is the most overlooked, and skipping it is why most people stay stiff as they age. Number 1. Wall sits. Wall sits are a fundamental tool for joint longevity. As we age, the connective tissues around the knees often weakened, not because of time, but due to a lack of stable loading. Scientific research shows that isometric holds, like the wall sit, help repair your tendons and wake up the muscles around your knees. For beginners, lean against a wall with your feet 12 inches out. Bend your knees slightly to a comfortable angle. Aim for 2 minutes of total hold time throughout the day. If you're intermediate, slide down until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Focus on pressing your lower back into the wall. Build up to 5 minutes daily. And if you're advanced, go deeper and vary foot distance. Accumulate 10 minutes total. Regular practice builds bulletproof knees and postural stamina, making stairs feel effortless again. Takeaway: wall sits are your insurance policy for your knees. Master them to maintain your freedom of movement. Number 2. Deep squats. The deep squat is a primal human resting position that most adults in the West have completely lost. Losing this range of motion is a primary cause of lower back pain and stiff hips. Studies in biomechanics indicate that the ability to perform a deep squat is a key indicator of functional longevity. It decompresses the spine and restores the natural hinge function of the hips, taking the pressure off your joints. For beginners, hold on to a door frame or a sturdy table for balance. Sit back as low as your heels stay flat on the floor. Hold for 30 seconds at a time. If you're intermediate, squat without support, keeping your chest proud and heels down. Spend 2 to 3 minutes total in this position every day. If you're advanced, settle into the bottom of the squat and gently shift your weight side to side to open the ankles. Aim for 5 to 10 minutes. Throughout the day, this isn't an exercise in the traditional sense. It's a restoration of your body's natural mechanics. Takeaway: use deep squats to reclaim your mobility. If you don't use this range of motion, you will lose it. Number 3. Horse stance. The horse stance is the ultimate test of structural integrity. While the wall sit uses the wall for support, the horse stance forces your hips, glutes, and core to stabilize your entire frame in space. Research into functional strength shows that stances like this strengthen the lateral stabilizers of the hip very muscles that prevent falls and hip fractures as we age. For beginners, stand with feet twice as wide as your shoulders, toes pointed slightly out. Sink down just a few inches and hold. Accumulate 2 minutes daily. If you're intermediate, bring your thighs closer to parallel. Keep your pelvis tucked and your spine long. Hold for 3 to 5 minutes total. If you're advanced, lower your hips until your thighs are parallel to the ground. Arms extended forward. Work toward a single 5-minute hold. This stance knits the lower body together, turning fragile joints into a stable foundation. Takeaway: the horse stance is the secret to staying grounded. It builds the deep strength that protects you from the inside out. These 3 exercises are the foundation for staying strong after 40. But the horse stance is truly the most powerful of them all. If you want to master this specific move and see how it can transform your joint stability and deep strength, you need to watch this video next. Consistency is everything. Start today, and I'll see you in the next video.